Did it have anything to do with your confidence as to whether you could acquit yourself and the office?
Who are you speaking to? Who are you speaking to?
For the highest
Mrs. Jackson Miller, and I'm going to say counsel. We have not had the opportunity to meet in court, but then the matters that I would meet in, you have not been in any of them, and I would never indicate that it's because you lack confidence. So let us really be factual here.
No, I'm asking a question, you know.
I am saying it did not have any. Well, let me tell you, you're a junior counsel to me. You're a junior counsel to me.
Right now,
I would never think that because you have not appeared in a gang case or you have not appeared in a complex matter in the Court of Appeal, it's because you lack the confidence.
No, what you're doing now is relegating me to junior counsel when I'm asking you the question as a senior journalist.
No, all right.
No, it
had nothing to do with that. It had nothing to do with that. It is just that in matters where I could have, my responsibilities were of such that it would have been better to brief counsel in England, which is what we did.